Amidst vast green orchards, billions of citrus fruits are not merely agricultural products. They are a vivid testament to an agricultural revolution reshaping how we produce food. Have you ever wondered about the mystery behind the ability of vast orange, lemon, and grapefruit groves in the US to produce 6.9 million tons of fruit annually, supplying both domestic and global markets? This is not just a story about the sprawling fields in Florida or California, America's two citrus capitals. This is an epic tale of the pinnacle of integration between traditional farming wisdom and modern technology, where every seed's germination until the fruit's harvest is a meticulously calculated journey. But few realize that the crucial secret lies not just in scale or tree count, but in a sophisticated data management system, a digitized brain that precisely determines water amounts, harvest times, thereby optimizing yield to an unbelievable degree. Together, we will explore this complex world, from seedling nurseries to automated packing plants. The journey of each orange begins in a specialized nursery, where thousands of delicate seedlings are meticulously cared for during their first 3 months. This is absolutely not a random process, but the apex of precise science. Each seedling undergoes a rigorous selection process, ensuring maximum disease resistance and superior productivity. After this stage, they are transferred to official farms, ready for a new life in the extensive fields. In early spring, large-scale planting operations take place. Millions of new citrus trees are put into the ground. In Florida alone, 2021 statistics show approximately 74 million citrus trees cultivated across a total area of 569,000 acres. This figure not only reflects the immense scale of American agriculture, but also subtly signals massive investment in infrastructure and technology. What astounds many is that most common citrus varieties in Florida and California take 3 to 5 years to yield their first harvest. This is a long-term investment commitment, requiring ironclad patience and profound strategic vision from farmers. Throughout this waiting period, high technology plays a crucial role in protecting and nurturing the trees. Once the trees mature, annual pruning becomes an obligatory factor. Instead of the image of manual shears, this is a spectacular display of giant machines, sweeping through rows of trees, pruning thousands of them quickly and with astonishing precision. The purpose of this is not only to control tree height for easier harvesting, but also to optimize energy distribution to the fruit, ensuring each piece receives adequate light and nutrients. In late January and early February, the first buds begin to bloom across citrus groves in Florida. This is a critical moment, signaling the start of a new season. However, this phase also carries many risks. Aphids and pests can attack, causing severe damage to the crop. This is when biotechnology speaks. A special probiotic is sprayed, not only preventing pests, but also promoting the overall health of the tree, protecting each delicate bud. 6 months after the full bloom, the fruits begin to ripen golden, signaling that harvest time has arrived. This is not just a season, but a fierce race against time, where every decision carries multi-million-dollar risks. Harvesting can take place on a large scale, with about 18,000 workers hired each year to work on citrus farms across the United States. However, the differentiating factor lies in the application of modern machinery. In California, particularly, farms use gigantic machines to harvest billions of citrus fruits quickly and efficiently. You can imagine an automated harvester with robotic arms gently grasping each orange, lemon, or grapefruit from the branch without causing any damage. These machines not only speed up harvesting, but also significantly reduce labor costs while ensuring consistent fruit quality. This is a prime example of precision agriculture, a concept that American agriculturalists have pioneered. Precision agriculture involves using information technology and data to optimize farming efficiency, from fertilization and irrigation to pest control. Everything is adjusted based on real-time data analysis. After harvesting, billions of citrus fruits are rapidly transported to large-scale packing plants. Here, they undergo a rigorous processing procedure. Each fruit is washed thoroughly, meticulously disinfected, then automatically sorted by size, color, and quality. Advanced optical sensor systems with absolute precision are capable of detecting the smallest imperfections that the human eye would struggle to perceive, ensuring that only fruits of the highest quality are brought to market. This process not only guarantees food safety and hygiene, but also enhances the product's aesthetic value. Once standards are met, the fruits are packed and ready for their journey to consumers. A significant portion of this output will be processed into juice, meeting the enormous demand of the market. Currently, citrus grown in the US not only serves the domestic market, but is also a major export commodity. Countries like Canada, Japan, and South Korea are large importing partners, with estimated export revenues reaching approximately $1.3 billion annually. This figure not only demonstrates the economic strength of American agriculture, but also affirms its leading position in high-tech agriculture. But the story doesn't just end with successes. Behind these impressive numbers lies a series of immense challenges. Severe climate change, continuously emerging new crop diseases, and intense competitive pressure from the international market are always lurking subtle concerns. Scientists and agricultural engineers are working day and night, researching and seeking new solutions, from developing more disease-resistant crop varieties to applying artificial intelligence in farm management. Imagine a future farm where every plant is equipped with IoT sensors, continuously collecting data on soil moisture, ambient temperature, light intensity, and even the specific health status of the plant. All this data is then analyzed by complex AI algorithms, providing precise recommendations to farmers on when to irrigate, how much fertilizer to apply, and even issuing early warnings of disease symptoms. This is no longer science fiction, but a reality rapidly shaping the future of agriculture. Another example of astonishing innovation is the application of unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, in agriculture. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras are capable of scanning vast fields, creating extremely detailed crop health maps. This technology allows farmers to precisely identify areas needing intervention, thereby significantly saving resources and optimizing yields in an unprecedented way. This is a big game, where only those who dare to invest in new technologies can survive and thrive. Overall, the American citrus industry is a vivid testament to the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. From ancestral farming knowledge passed down through generations to the application of the most advanced technologies, everything is done with a single goal: to produce the highest quality products with optimal efficiency. This process has created an agricultural sector that not only brings immense economic benefits, but also contributes to food security. Furthermore, advancements in agricultural technology open the door to developing more sustainable farming methods, minimizing environmental impact, and preserving natural resources for future generations. Understanding how our food is produced not only helps us appreciate what we have, but also encourages us to delve deeper into issues related to agriculture and the environment. Every orange, every lemon you enjoy is the result of a long and complex journey, a journey full of science and innovation. The lush green fields, modern machinery, and thousands of hardworking people have created a comprehensive picture of American agriculture, a picture that is constantly evolving, constantly innovating to meet the ever-increasing demands of the world. The journey we've just explored together, from nursery to packing plant, is only a glimpse into the vast landscape of modern agriculture. It reveals the complexity, the enormous investment, and the inherent risks involved in bringing a product from the farm to your table. This is not simply a story about fruits, but about humanity's extraordinary and relentless effort to overcome nature's challenges and create sustainable value for the future. If you're seeking a career that is both challenging and deeply meaningful, where you can directly contribute to one of the world's most vital industries, then citrus farming in the US is certainly a serious path worth considering. Immersing yourself in a modern work environment where high technology is fully integrated not only offers remarkable learning opportunities, but also promises unique and unforgettable experiences. What impressed you the most about the fruit cultivation and harvesting process featured in this video? Which technologies truly amazed you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next exciting discoveries. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.